Did you know that a simple insurance policy could save you thousands, if not millions of dollars in the future? But in today's world, having the right insurance is more important than ever. Stick with me as I break down 5 types of insurance you absolutely must have in 2024, and why they are essential for protecting you and your loved ones, from life insurance to the often overlooked disability insurance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what coverage you need to secure your future. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. Let's kick things off with life insurance, one of the most crucial forms of insurance you can have. Life insurance ensures that your loved ones are financially secure in the event of your passing. Think about it. If you were suddenly gone, would your family be able to pay the mortgage? What about everyday expenses or even just putting food on the table? Life insurance can help cover all of that. It can cover a whole range of expenses, from funeral costs to paying off outstanding debts like mortgages, car loans, or credit card bills. It can also provide ongoing income replacement, ensuring your family can maintain their standard of living, even if you're not there. There are 2 main types of life insurance: term life insurance and whole life insurance. Term life insurance is like renting coverage. It's the more affordable option and provides coverage for a specific period. On the other hand, whole life insurance is more like owning. It's more expensive, but it lasts for your entire life and even builds cash value over time. Quick tip: if you're young and healthy, locking in a lower rate now can save you a lot in premiums over time. Next up, we have health insurance. In today's world, health insurance isn't just an option, it's a necessity. We all know medical costs can be outrageous, and having proper coverage could mean the difference between financial ruin and stability. Seriously, even a simple trip to the emergency room can leave you with thousands of dollars in bills, and if you require ongoing treatment or medication, those costs can quickly spiral out of control. Without health insurance, you're essentially gambling with your financial future. But with health insurance, you have a safety net. It gives you peace of mind knowing that you can get the care you need without having to worry about crippling medical debt. When choosing a health insurance plan, you'll typically come across 2 main options: individual health insurance and employer-provided health insurance. If you're employed, chances are your company offers health insurance as part of your benefits package. If you're self-employed or not covered by an employer, you can purchase individual health insurance through the health insurance marketplace. You can compare plans from different insurance providers and choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. When shopping for health insurance, it's important to understand key terms like deductibles, co-pays, and premiums. Quick tip: if you're relatively healthy and don't anticipate needing frequent medical care, opting for a plan with a higher deductible and lower monthly premiums could save you money in the long run. Now let's talk about something we all hopefully have: auto insurance. In most places, auto insurance isn't just a good idea, it's legally required. But even beyond legal requirements, it's a smart investment. A car accident can lead to a whole world of expenses you don't want to have to deal with. We're talking expensive repairs, medical bills if you or someone else is injured, and even legal fees if you're sued. Having the right auto insurance coverage ensures that you're protected from these unexpected costs. Let's break down the main types of auto insurance. First, there's liability insurance. This is the most basic type of coverage and is required by law in most states. Liability insurance covers damage to other people or property if you're found at fault in an accident. Next, there's collision insurance. This covers damage to your vehicle in an accident, regardless of who's at fault. And finally, there's comprehensive insurance. This covers damage to your vehicle from events other than collisions, such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Quick tip: consider bundling your auto insurance with other policies like home or renter's insurance to save money on premiums. Now, whether you own a home or rent, having the right insurance is crucial. Homeowners insurance and renters insurance protect you from different things, but they're both essential for different reasons. Homeowners insurance is designed to protect against damage to your property and liability for accidents that may happen at your home. Imagine a fire damaging your house, or a guest injuring themselves on your property. Homeowners insurance would help cover the cost of repairs or legal expenses. Renters insurance, on the other hand, protects your personal belongings and provides liability coverage within your rented property. It doesn't cover the actual structure of the building. That's your landlord's responsibility, but it does cover your belongings inside. So if there's a fire, theft, or other covered event, you're protected. Key coverage areas for both homeowners and renters insurance include property damage, personal liability, and additional living expenses. Property damage covers the cost of repairing or rebuilding your home or belongings. Personal liability covers legal expenses if someone is injured on your property and sues you. Quick tip, renters insurance is surprisingly affordable, with some policies starting as low as $10 a month. That's less than a cup of coffee a day for peace of mind. Finally, let's talk about a type of insurance that's often overlooked but incredibly important: disability insurance. This is one of those things you hope you'll never need, but if you do, you'll be extremely grateful you have it. Disability insurance provides a financial safety net if an illness or injury prevents you from working. One day you're healthy and working, the next you could be facing an unexpected illness or accident that leaves you unable to earn an income. Here's the thing, statistically, you're more likely to become temporarily disabled than you are to die young, making this type of insurance essential for anyone who depends on their income. Think about it, if you couldn't work, how would you pay your bills, rent, or mortgage? Disability insurance provides a portion of your income to help you maintain your standard of living while you're unable to work. It can cover essential expenses like housing, groceries, utilities, and even childcare. There are two main types of disability insurance: short-term disability and long-term disability. Quick tip, make sure to check if your employer offers disability insurance as part of your benefits package. It's often cheaper than purchasing it independently. To recap, in 2024, these are the 5 types of insurance you absolutely need: life insurance, health insurance, auto insurance, homeowners or renters insurance, and disability insurance. These 5 types of insurance cover the most essential aspects of your life: your health, your loved ones, your ability to earn an income, and your belongings. Which type of insurance are you considering? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on securing your financial future. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my next video where I dive deeper into life insurance policies and how to choose the best one for you.